to take this tub out, and I'm going to cut along that line. We're going to pull the floor up. We're going to get it subfloor. We're going to level it all out. We're going to get ready for our shower. We're going to buy a 4 foot by 5 foot base, shower base, and then do all the stuff that we need to do with that. We're going to get the plumbing in the right place. I have to buy the base and and then find out where we need the plumbing to go over to. We got to get this tub out of here and pull up all the plywood. So that's what we're doing now. I'm going to cut along here, take my skill saw and cut a line here, and try to get this all as square as we can. Then I'll build these walls back up. That'd be our first step. I took that wall out because it wasn't completely like straight up and down on the 2x4s. I went down to Home Depot and I bought 11 boards for $103. Ridiculous. Anyway, hello children. This is Mike again with Do It Yourself, with Fixing It with the Long Bros. Today, we're going to pull up the plywood that's sitting on these planks. And I'm going to cut this plywood over here close to this wall as I can. And so what I've got is the blade depth of this saw, and I'm going to see that it almost goes to the, I think it goes right to the, I think it's the right depth. So I'm going to cut this as much as I can, and then I'll probably take, looks like they cut a corner here, so I don't know if that's cut all the way, but I'm going to cut it with this skill saw. And then I'll cut the rest off and up to there. So, you can cut it right alongside the wall here, or I could take it out about okay. I'm going to cut this side as much as I can. We'll straighten this up. As far as I can go. Okay. The doorway where Mike is standing stinks. Yeah. It looks like this is kind of a little water damage right there. So this should pop right up. Let's see what we can do. That's just particle board too. That's terrible shit. We'll get some better stuff. See, that's, if you jump on this, it is not moving. This does not move. So we'll pull these nails up. Now this looks like it goes over to here, so we'll just pull that up too. Mike, I'm gonna see what. See, this is. That's where I cut. Now that's not a shower. So we're going to get a piece, a waterproof piece that fits right where Mike's cutting there. And this will go up too, right here. This is a line. So that should pop up too. That's where I cut it right there. Now that's plywood there. That's the old, well. If we get a piece that size, that'll be good for the shower area, don't you? Yeah. Get this out of the way.
Take it right out front.
I need to wear some gloves, I think.
Yeah.
Should we have it square?
I think just square, and then that will just over here will just be the mesh stuff, and just put mud on it and level it all.
Yeah. We put the level down there, and it's right on the bubble. So these boards are about 2 inches thick. These boards down there, these old ones. We're taking on a big challenge. And this is particle board, and I'm not going to use particle board.
We'll get this piece up right here, where the old shower used to be. That old.
Get over there so you don't feel my butt. That'd be like torture. Stuff's coming up way too easy.
You're standing on it, it's hard. Like that old lady that was lifting the chair. Standing on it.
Look, that was leaking.
Look at the corner up there. Don't stab me with that thing.
Yeah, that'd probably be a death sentence. Look how wide this is apart. They just threw them down there. They had a base.
They built this thing as an addition to this house. Probably in the 70s.
Horrible job. This is what I wanted to see. Take those boards out up to here. Leave that like that. We got to make a drain over there to here, or over here probably.
Both. It'll tap in. It'll tap in down somewhere else.
We probably need to cover that with that waterproof stuff.
And we're going to put these back for temporarily while we get the right fan.
Well, if we're going to go 4 foot wide, I got to cut this piece off. Probably what you ought to do is cut it straight off and square that off.
I'd say we just take it off. This is my thought. Take it off from here, all those boards. Here's where this beam is, right here. So that's good.
Some of these boards that go across the top of that beam, they got them staggered.
Well, yeah, but that don't matter. Okay, setting the blade the right depth. Now what we're going to do is we're going to cut this piece off, and then we'll do the flooring however we're going to do it.
All right, you ready? Okay, we got the most of it up to here, 75 and or 78.5 inches up this way, and then so we're going to be putting at least a 4 foot by 5 foot shower base in here. So we're going to figure out what we need to do. So we got to order that. So I need to know where the plumbing needs to go. So anyway, that's good enough for that.
Now we put these boards back down, this junk back down, so we can walk on it until we get our piece ordered. And then we'll know how our plumbing's going to be.
What are you talking about?
I don't know.
No, we got some really strong baseboards. Those things are about 2 inches thick and however wide they are. You don't see boards like that anymore anywhere. Can't find them hardly.
This floor does not move.
That's 8 3/4 inches. That one's 9. So they're all a lot of different pieces, but they're about 2 inches thick. And I don't know how long they are, but I would say they're 10, 12 foot long each. And this whole floor is made of that.
Can you feel me moving over there?
So we got a strong base for whatever we decide to do, and that shower base is not heavy. Neither is the tile or anything else that we go with.
So we're just going to figure out what base that we're going to put on it, and then go from there.
I think that where the shower or the tub is strong enough to leave it alone if we can just get the plumbing to it. And we need to cut down that plumbing to where that tub will fit right over the top of it. And then put the board around for the waterproof board on the back wall and the side walls. Make sure that wall is square. That's why it's torn down.
We're almost done.
Yeah.
We just need to figure out what we need to order.
So let's go do that. It's fixing it with the long bros. Do it yourself and see how lousy you can do. All right, amen.
Don't wait for me, honey. Don't wait, 'cause I'm always heading your way, and I know exactly what I'm looking for. And as we grow, I'll keep running till I can no more. You'll always be the one I want at midnight. You'll always steal my breath away, yeah. You'll always be my heart, my life, every second, every day.